All right, let's do two videos. My first one is going to be by grouping. I can factor ax2+bx+c. And my first method is going to be by grouping. And so what am I going to do for this? So I'm going to, and this may help, this may not help. This is just one method that I've seen. And I think it works pretty well. Up here, we're going to put our a times our c. So in this case, 3 times 7, that's 21. Down here on the bottom, we're going to put our b, which is 22. And what we're looking for are factors of 21 that will give us 22. So factors of this top one, so I guess I could put this as b. Factors of this top one that gives me this bottom one. And so thinking of factors of 21, we have 7 and 3. That adds up to 10, so that's not it. And really, the only other one we have is 21 and 1. And 21 plus 1, sure enough, is 22. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 21 and 1 like that. And we would rewrite this as 3x squared plus 21x plus 1x plus 7. We want to kind of group these so that we have greatest common factors together. 3 goes into 21, yes. And 1 goes into 7, yes. But 7 also goes into 21, and we're going to get a lot. We're going to get more out of that. So we're going to rewrite this again as 3x squared plus x. So we moved our 1x plus 21x plus 7. And then we have over here, we just have x times 3 plus 1. That's how we would factor that one, right? We pull out an x. That's the biggest thing we can pull out of everything. And then over here we have plus 7 goes into all of that. And we have, that should be a 3x right there. 3x plus 1. And we have 7 times 3x plus 1. Right, 7 times 3x is 21x. 7 times 1 is 7. And so now we have a common factor to both, and that's the 3x plus 1. So we're going to go ahead and write 3x plus 1. And then in parentheses, everything that's left is the x and the 7. So x plus 7. Okay. Yeah, so that's what we call grouping by grouping. We need to find common factor a times c, so we multiply a times c, put that at the top, and work through like this. Okay. This x thing, not necessary for you to know or to use. It's just to kind of help keep track of your numbers. Okay, I think that'll be it for this video. We'll try another one. It's actually called substitution, which if it works for you and if it's easy, then that's great. But we'll talk about that in a minute.